The new discovery on Proxima b by James Webb Telescope may change everything we know about the planet. In 2016, the discovery of Proxima b by the European Southern Observatory, ESO, has given scientists a new hope. The Earth-like planet was found orbiting around Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to our solar system. The ESO's discovery is not just a mere discovery. It is a breakthrough in finding habitable planets outside of our solar system. The planet is only 4 light-years away from Earth, and it orbits around the star in a habitable zone. This means that it may have water and other necessary elements for life as we know it. Welcome to the Space Dynamic YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the new discovery on Proxima b by James Webb Telescope, and there could be intelligent life on a new planet just 4.2 light-years away. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. What was the new discovery on Proxima b and how did it happen? The discovery of Proxima b is a great example of how the search for life in space is progressing. It's also an example of how the search for life in space is becoming more and more sophisticated. In 2016, astronomers discovered a planet orbiting around Proxima Centauri, which is our nearest neighboring star to Earth. This planet orbits at a distance that would allow liquid water to exist on its surface, which means that it could be habitable by living organisms like humans. People have been searching the stars to discover planets that could potentially support life for a long time now. In a recent discovery, astronomers using the James Webb Telescope have detected light signals from a nearby star. This is an important discovery because it could turn out to be the first time that we have found evidence of life outside of our solar system. The light signals were detected by the telescope in October 2016, and they are believed to be coming from the third planet in orbit around the small red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. The planet is called Proxima b, and it is just 4.2 light-years away from Earth. The discovery was made by looking for infrared wavelengths in which there was no known sources of natural origin like stars or galaxies. This led astronomers to believe that they had detected artificial lights on Proxima b, which could suggest that there is life on this planet and we may not be alone in the universe after all. The signal has been confirmed by astronomers multiple times, and they are confident that they will have more data on the signal to confirm its artificial sources soon. They hope to use the data to determine how much energy is being produced by this planet and how far it is from the star. With this data, astronomers will be able to calculate how much energy is being emitted by the planet and whether it is a suitable candidate for life. There is no definitive answer to what this signal really was, but it is likely to be extraterrestrial. This has led many scholars to believe that there might be life on the planet, and the signal could have been produced by an intelligent civilization. The scientific perspective on the new discovery of Proxima b. The scientific perspective on the new discovery of Proxima b is that it has a lot of potential as a habitable planet. It is important to note that this discovery has not been confirmed, and there are many factors that need to be taken into account. The scientific perspective on the new discovery of Proxima b is that it has a lot of potential as a habitable planet. It also shares similarities with Earth, which could make colonization easier than first thought. Alpha Centauri is the brightest star in the constellation of Centaurus, which is located on the northern hemisphere, right between the constellations of Bootes and Scorpius. It has a magnitude of about 0.27, which means it can be seen by the naked eye from fairly remote locations away from any city lights. The star is also one of the closest stars to the Earth, being 4.3 light-years away from it. The discovery of Proxima b was made by using a telescope in Chile called Very Large Telescope, VLT, with a goal to find Earth-like planets that might support life. Spectrographs observe objects and split the light coming from those objects into the wavelengths that make it up so that researchers can study the object in closer detail. According to the scientists who used VLT, this new discovery is Earth-sized and orbits around the closest star to our own Sun. Outside of it, this discovery could help with the search for life and the planet's resources. The possibility of an alien civilization on Proxima b. The search for intelligent life in the universe is one of the most important scientific questions that we can ask. One of the best places to look for intelligent life is on planets orbiting stars other than our own. On August 24, 2016, a team of scientists from the University of California, Berkeley, announced that they had discovered an Earth-sized planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to Earth and one of our Sun's nearest neighbors. The team detected a planet by observing periodic variations in the light coming from Proxima Centauri. These variations were caused by a small mass about 1/10 the mass of Earth, periodically blocking some fraction of Proxima Centauri's light as it orbited around it. This discovery has led to speculation about whether or not this planet, the closest exoplanet to Earth in terms of distance and mass, could be habitable. The findings are consonant with other studies that suggest Proxima Centauri b could host liquid water on its surface. It is also speculated that the presence of an atmosphere may be due to a combination of carbon dioxide and hydrogen in the planet's atmosphere. Proxima b is only 4.3 light-years from Earth and orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun. This proximity has led scientists to speculate on whether or not this exoplanet may be a good place for humans to visit one day. However, as previously mentioned, this is just speculation, and more data is needed before any definite conclusions can be made. The discovery of Proxima b has sparked the question of whether or not there is life on other planets. This discovery has also given many people hope that we are not alone in the universe. It's not really necessary to reach a conclusion about the new discovery on Proxima b, but rather discuss how different perspectives affect our view of the world and what we believe in. Although it does present some evidence that shows that there are lifeforms on Proxima b, it does not necessarily mean that these lifeforms are technologically advanced or that they look like us.